How to create a quick diamond design like this in Affinity Photo, PC or Mac. Go to the File menu and New. Create document 1500 by 1500 and create. Then go to Layer and New Layer. It needs a layer. Edit and then fill it with black. So my secondary colour, click Apply. With the layer selected, go to Filters, down to Colours and down to Procedural Texture. Then go up here, Presets. You've got some presets? Go with Checkered. That's a great start point, that little equation there. This panel can be dragged out, so it really makes it easier to work with this equation. You can quickly go here and RX, that's relative X. You can move this backwards and forwards. Well, I'm going to put a bracket around it, and I'm going to put minus RY and then bracket again. And what happens? It goes at an angle. I don't want this second part, so I'm just going to select this. I'm just going to remove that up to that comma. So now what I've got is that RX minus RY, then times C, which is here, and then divided by W, which is the width. The result, diagonal lines. I don't want that either. So what I now want is to select that, and you can just do Control C or Command C, copy and paste, and then put minus, and then put that equation back in again. Obviously, if I go like that, it's going to be nothing now, because obviously the answer is 0. You've got a W here, the width. That's the width of the document. What you need to do now is, instead of RX minus RY, you need to put W minus RX minus RY. And then now you've got your diamond design. And what you can do, you can modify this. Maybe set it to 40. That's the C. And you can see now you've got a diamond count instead. Or set the count to 5 or 6 to have slightly bigger diamond designs. If you want to save the preset, go up here to Presets, click there and Create Preset and save it. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Thank you much.